is Tushar. I am here to show the demo of how the online auction system works. So let's start. Well, this is the window of for anonymous user and the window of our home page. I will go through each and every menu one by one. So this is the shop. In this option all the categories are listed like electronics, home appliances, books, others, all products. For example, in the electronics section you can see all the electronics products available which are currently available for bid. This is the last bid amount of the product, so let's bid on this product. Here you can see all the product related specification like the category of the product, name of the product, and the specification of the products are included here. This is the last bid amount for the product, and this is the auction end time and date. So in this box you have to enter a bid amount which should be greater than the given amount, that is the 26,000. And let's try and enter the amount. I am entering 27,000 and click on the bid. As you can see, login window is appeared immediately. You should register before you bid on any product. So let's come back to main menu. We'll register first. Before that, let's see other menus available on this page. This is the login section, and you can see various login options. Well, we will see it later on. So you can see the contact section here. So after clicking that, you can get in touch with us by sending messages and filling all these required data, and just click on send message button. As I am running this on a local host, so I can't show this to you cause we are offline. Well, you can see the register option as a customer and the seller directly from here. First, start from the seller. I will show you all the options related to seller and then move to the customer. So click on the seller and fill all these basic information. After filling the data, just click on the register, and here you go and here we go, register successfully message is appeared here. So go to the so let's first come back and go to the login, then as a seller login, and login using the proper credentials. You can see here all the options which are given to the seller. We will see it one by one. First we'll show my account. We will show my account, and then I will see we will see the manage product section. So go to the my account. You will see here all the information related to your profile is provided. You can update your account from here. So let's update the mobile number and the pin code of the seller. After this, your mobile number will after this, click on the update button. Here you can see updated successfully message is displayed. Let come back from this and to the main menu. This is the logout button. So now let's see the manage product option. In this you will see the various options like current bids, add new, update product, all the products. In current bids, it displays current ongoing auction product, and as I registered as a seller, I can put my product for auction. So let's add a new product. Here you can see I have entered all the details like auction time and minimal or starting bid amount. uh, After filling all these fields, just click on the add product. Your product will be added successfully. So let's come back again. Here you can see product is available in the current bids option. Let's check other options also. You can see added product, uh, update product here. Let's click on that. So let's click on update. Will show the product related details, all the details related to the product. And here you can update the details like minimum bid amount, RAM, or the image or the name of the product. And even you can delete all the entire product from here. Then I'm not going to delete the product cause it is required for us to perform the operation. So let's come back again, and you can see each added by the seller up till now. So click on all products and you can see all the products which are uploaded or the added by the customer recently. Now we will try to bid on recently bidded added product through the customer login. The product which are added by the seller, log out from the seller, and now you can register as a customer. So after successfully login, registration and login, you can see the you can see here all the menus available for customers like home, shop, my bids, my account, and logout menu. So let's see it one by one. You can see here shop. I have explained already this to you. Let's take a look on third, that is my bids. This option shows the customer on which product he has bidded recently or in the past. As I have not bidded anything till now, it's showing you are not bidded on any product yet. So come back from here and then go to the next my account section. This is the same like customers section. So back from these and log out. Well, let's start the main section, that is let's see bidding process, actual bidding process. So just go in the shop and all products, click on the bid. We will do all the operation on this product which is bidded recently, which is added recently. And so enter the bid amount here. So I am entering 39,000. So after it will show bid, after clicking on bid, it will show the bid successfully bid on this product second time. So you bidded on this product one time, but let's try 40,000. You cannot bid this product until other customer will bid on this product. So then come back again and log out, then register and log in using another customer on same product, and it shows bidded successfully. So go to the bid on this product and enter the bid amount like 40,000. So it will shows bidded successfully, and so this process will continue till the date and time expires. This date and time expires. So after that, result of the auction is declared. So let's go back and see. Now the seller will know all this process. Since this is the 24-hour system, this time is at 12 a.m. midnight. So after that, result of the after this time result will be declared. So let's go back and see now the seller will, how the seller will know all this process. You can see here up till now how many let's go back, logging as a seller, and go to the all product and this product. You can see here up till now how many customer bidded on this product, and the amount with the date is given here. So let's see after expiring this time, that is after auction ends, what happens. So after this time ended, you can see the one customer is won the bid, and the amount is here, that is the 40,000 rupees. So just click on the send email, and a small email will be sent to the winner, which will contains all the details related to seller and how we can collect the item and payment for the item. So this is all the process related to auction. So at last I will show the admin panel to you. Let's see the admin panel, which have all the rights to manage this site. So go to the first log out from here and go to the login. You can see here all the options available for admin. You can see add new, manage, reports, and the logout button. So first we will see reports. So go in the reports, and here you can see customer report, seller report, and the product report. First go into the customer report, and you can see all the customers available in the system or on the websites are listed here. So admin can see all the data and the number of customers that uses these sites currently. So let's go back and click on the seller report. All are same as a customer report. So finally go to the product report. Here you can see all the products and related data is given here, like total products available in the system, products in auction, currently auction, and products sold. This is the product which will added by us. So and go then you can see the individual's product status is given here, that is in auction or ended the auction. So go back last. So this is the last is a manage. From here you can manage the customer. Just click on the customer and enter the customer. And you will see all the data related to that customer in here. So you can delete the customer or update the various fields of the customers from here. Or so let's go back, and all other menus are same as a manage customer, like a seller and the product also. So I have explained all the details and operations of this product deeply. So this is a product developed by group 2, and we developed this project using PHP, CSS, Bootstrap, and the MySQL as a backend. So this is all about the project. So thank you very much.